And this video is going to be a video talking about one of the most important things you can do to succeed, to finally grab your dreams, to finally achieve whatever it is you've been thinking on doing all these years growing up, things you've been talking about, When I get this job, I'm gonna get that money together and I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna start my own business. I'm gonna do this, whatever it is that you're interested in is starting your own business. Do this one thing and your percentage of achieving that goes up 90%. I know that not everybody out there is into owning their business or that entrepreneur mindset. A lot of people out there are just fine and dandy, go and get that 9-to-5 job, maybe working for the state, working there 20 years and retiring, and they're good with that. But we're not all cut from the same cloth. Some of us need more than that, They need a challenge. They need to build something. They're builders, Me, I'm a builder, okay? So yeah, not everybody's like that, and if you're watching this video, odds are you're a lot like me. You want to build. You kind of want to go on your own and build something on your own, not really want to work for somebody else. You want to pay your own way. So yeah, so you're watching this video. So if you're watching this video and you're wondering what I mean by the title. What I mean by the title simply is just to quit. Just don't do that no more. Stop. Just don't do it no more, okay? What do I mean by that? I say, whatever is in your life that is toxic, quit it. If you sincerely want to do something with your life, change your life financially so you can have a more comfortable, less stressful life, be able to maybe take vacations, or just feel like you achieved something. The first thing you need to do is clean out your damn closet, like Eminem said, but not about his mother and all that stuff. But if it is your mother, let's think about it. Some of us got toxic family. Some of us got toxic friends, some of us are just doing toxic things, or some of us are just going to work Monday through Friday at a job they're just getting by at, going on the weekend, spending too much money, going back to work and just recycling that over and over and over and over and over again. And the whole time they're saying, this is just what I want to do. This is what I want to do, when I get more money, if I can just get a break. You'd be surprised how much time you could save by just putting down that phone, for one thing. Social media, Facebook, Instagram. People spend hours and hours and hours a day just not anything educational, just other people's life, selfies, what they're doing, funny stuff, Yeah, man, a little bit of that, fine, okay? But honestly, it's not fine, because if you want something, all you're doing is putting it on pause every time you pick up that phone and you're just scrolling through, looking at other people's life and what they're doing and stuff like that, okay? So I think the worst thing that you can be on, if you have a mission to actually achieve something, say if you want to start your own landscaping business, is to have your head buried in your phone or anything else. All right. Say you work that 9-to-5 job, and on the weekends you decide to go fishing all weekend. Well, you're never gonna get nowhere if you're not actually putting some time into working on your business. So actually getting rid of anything toxic, as far as maybe the people you hang around with, maybe they're dragging you down, They don't have the same visions as you. You're running around with them. You kind of, what do you say? You are what you do, really. Okay. So if you're a person that likes to golf a lot, you're a golfer. If you're a person that spends all the time they can fishing, well, you're a fisherman. If you're an entrepreneur, you're spending all the time you can building your business or trying to build your business or learning what you need to build your business. You're going to have to put these priorities in place, because until you're ready to put all that stuff aside that really isn't going to do you any good or limit it down substantially, you're always going to be stuck in the same place, and you're always going to say tomorrow. So what you need to do is just quit. If alcohol is a problem in your life, you got to quit. Fill that time up with something else. I learned a lot of, because I've been around a lot of addicts in my life. Basically, what helps the situation is to have something else to put that energy on. Take that energy here, stop that, and put all that energy this way. On something productive. That's why a lot of say drug addicts, alcoholics, they quit that and they go straight to the Bible, church, and it helps a lot. It helps a lot. There's a lot of support there, and there's something that they're putting their energy in. Okay, so what if you were to do the same thing, but put that energy into your business? Get your phone, put on those headphones. If nobody else around you is interested in what you're doing, start going through YouTube to learn and not just to be entertained. Learn. Learning's fun, man. I'm telling you. I love it. So you're going to be amazed that once you do put down that phone, or put aside or stay away from toxic people, you will have so much more time on your hands to do productive things. How things just start rolling. They will start rolling. There's nothing you can do about it. It's like the law of gravity. There's nothing you can do about it. The only way you can stop it, really, is just go back doing what you were doing. So, really, this isn't me preaching to you. This is me telling you, if you want to succeed in business or anything in life, you have to sacrifice something. Sacrifice whatever it is that's preventing you from getting what you want. If you're at home and you and your lady, or you and your husband, are fighting all the time, you guys are like this, and maybe there's something that's causing that, and maybe it's alcohol or something. All you gotta do is put that alcohol away, and you guys are gonna get along just great. Why wouldn't you just do that? What do you value more, the alcohol or having a happy family? What do you value more, the alcohol or being successful and building something that you can leave for your kids? So, I feel like I'm preaching right now. I'm not. I'm just trying to open some eyes, because I've been there. Once I started replacing all that I was doing growing up, that really wasn't healthy. It wasn't doing anything but hurting myself. Always dreaming. Friends call me a dreamer. Once I just put that away, found me a good woman that was there for me, stopped running around town chasing women. All right, all that focus was putting on to building something. Well, that's when things just started moving. I tried something else, ended up here, ended up in a bunch of other things. But if I would just kept on doing the same thing I kept on doing, I would have still been doing the same thing I was doing 10 years ago, 15 years ago. So that's the truth. You know it. I know it. So just quit. Don't do it no more. All right, that's it for this video.